Hi friends of ncopendata.org. Going to show you how uploading the North Carolina school data to the web. So let me start. The one I'm going to do right now is um, a local educational agency EOC composite zoom.csv. So the process, I start with the file. What I do is I open with Excel. This will open the data, and then what I do is I move this guy over the main one that I'm using to merge all the tables into one Excel spreadsheet. And the reason I'm doing that is because I have different sheets down here which will be mapping the information. And the reason I'm doing this is because this data, as you can see, is missing for our purposes the school system or the county name. So I'll be doing that. And the first thing I do is after the LEA number and after the year, I add insert two columns in here, and then what I do is I go to the first one that I did for LEA. You can pick any one, but I pick up this one, LEA adequate data, and I copy the first two rows, columns for the combined code and year and the name of that county or system. So I copy those four cells, copy that, and I move it down to the new sheet that I just did at the top, the paste here. So you can see this is just a concatenation of the code plus the year that when you get there, and then this is a lookup table that will look for this value into the LEA CSV sheet that will translate to the human readable county name. And then what I do is I copy paste these two guys, I select this one, and then I go to the bottom without going to the bottom here. And the trick is to select, before you click anything here, press shift and then select this guy, and then you can do paste, and that will paste the information. And now the data has human readable names that people can then visualize. So that's part of getting into the spreadsheet. Then the next part is I'll create a new spreadsheet, and I'm going to copy all these sheets over. I do control, I copy that, I move it down to the new sheet. Takes a while. I copy this guy here, and what I do is I do a file, save as, and let me copy the name just so I don't make any mistakes. I copy that here, and I do Control C to copy. When I move here, I copy the name here, and I add open data underscore that we say with CSV file, and that's the file that wait, I have to select the format CSV. That will save it. That will save it. Said, oh, missing some formatting. I don't care because I need CSV. I save that guy. I try to close it and it will ask me again to save it. I go ahead and say yes. I say continue, and that saved the file. And what I do is I go to opendata.socrata.com to the account and see open data. I click create new data set. I want to import that file. It will take many files, but that I want to import the file that I just created, CSV file. So I look for the file that I just created, which is open data LEA composite zoom. Click open, start uploading the file. and that's the data. Socrata has a nice interface to import. Click next, and then I need the name of that table that I'm in that data set. So there's a PDF with the information about the tables, and that's located in this file. It's the data dictionary, and I search for the table, look for the human readable name. So that's the table I'm importing. So I'm importing LEA High School ABC Composite Performance Matrix. I copy that guy. I put it here with 2001. Well, first I need to. What I've been doing is I have a Google spreadsheet with this information. So I typically put 2001 to 2010 LEA. I paste the information here, the title of that table, and then I do a. I'm very lazy. I like to copy paste a lot. Sorry. Paste that, and that's the name I want to copy. Select all, copy. I know that you can use keyboard shortcuts. I'm doing it this way because I'm recording a video. Then what I do is I paste it here in the description and the title. I like to see in the first thing in the description the CSV that data came from. So I'll put that as the first line, the second line, the title, the category is education, the license is public domain, data is provided by, I have a cheat sheet here in the same spreadsheet where I keep the titles. So this data is provided by the North Carolina Department of Public Instruction. Then the source link, I just pointed to their website, and that's basically what where the data is coming from. Paste that. I said that this information is public, and then our email address. Somebody want to contact us about this data, where it came from, how it was managed, and click next, and that should be creating our data set. And now people can see it, visualize it, and see the information online, and developers can create apps or websites with this Socrata API. And I think that's the end of the workflow. Let me stop recording. Bye.